Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to add progress bar to our custom module in Odoo 19 and what is the use case of that particular progress bar based on the function. So currently I am in the library management module and you can see here we have the progress bar. So in today's lecture, we will be seeing the alternate of the progress bar and which is useful as per your requirement. So currently you can see progress bar is seen as simply straightforward a bar with a particular percentage shown. Now what if I want to show this particular progress bar as a pie icon or in terms of pie like a pie chart? So in that case we can simply add the widget known as %pie. So what I'll do, I'll go to the code. Simply just for your reference, what I have done, I had simply created in the person's view, I have created a progress field with the float and I have added a compute method. It is optional. And in the view, I have added the field as well. So now what I'll do, I'll change the widget from progress bar to %pie. Now I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module, then go to the library management, go to person's view, open the record, and now you can see a pie chart is shown. Now if I'll simply here book issue, if I'll simply remove, see you can see the pie chart is shown as per the books are available. If I'll remove another, you can see the pie chart is changing. Now this is useful when you want to show the progress bar based on the pie chart. Now similarly, there is another type of widget which can be used for your requirement, which is known as gauge. So what I'll do, I'll simply go to the code and instead of %pie, I will use GAUGE, gauge type. Restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After successfully upgrading my module, I will go to the library management, go to the person's view, in the record. See, now you can see the progress bar is shown based on the gauge type. And now if I add any of the record, you can see the value is changing. So with the help of these three types of widgets, you can increase the user interaction with the progress bar. There are three types of widget which I have shown you. One is the basic progress bar, second one is a %pie, which is basically a pie chart, and third one is gauge type, which will be shown like this. So it can be used as per your requirement or as per the things you want to show to the users. I hope this small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.